I want to give you like a tangible takeaway. So for one, a lot of us, if you're a service-based person, if something that you sell is time, then expectation setting about the time is a really key area where you can do this. If you do, for example, I do 30-minute consults quite frequently. And what I like to do is right as we get on the phone call, I don't even let the chit chat go. I just, right as we get on, I say, we've got 30 minutes together. I'll give you a 2-minute warning. I'd like you to spend 1 minute in the beginning giving me like a state of the union and top of mind question. And then I'll, tell you when we've got, 5 minutes left, right? So I scope it as soon as we're on the call so that that person realizes they don't accidentally ramble for 15 minutes and realize they lost half of their call that they're paying for, right? Like I want them to get everything out of the call that they can. So I'm helping them by giving them that scope. But also, like I only have limited amount of time to book calls and I can't let my calls run over time. I often book them back to back to back. And so I really do have to get off at the minute that the call ends. And so it's really important to me just so that I have a functional business and so that I don't have to, spend book 45 or 50 or 60 minutes for a 30-minute consultation. I can really actually book it at a 30-minute chunk. So scoping time, that's something probably a lot of you do and could use. I find doing it up front before you've gotten in is the best time to do it. And then a quick little reminder, then you can refer back to what you said before. And I think, really and truly, this establishes a lot of trust because it's like, oh, right, I did agree to that. And she's reminding me that I agreed to that.